So your wardrobe boxes will come flat packed like this, and you'll see that they'll have our logo on the front. So this is always the front of your box. You open up the box, pull down the side flaps that I'm hidden behind because I'm so small. Bring down the top lid and then the front lid, and you'll see there's Velcro. So that gets stuck together, seal it down. Then you flip the box over, and then you bring in the two smaller sides first, and then you bring in the rounded side, pull that down, get the open side, pull that down and push till it pops. As you can see, it's not necessarily the easiest, but it's quite satisfying. There we go. Did you hear that pop? And pop. Okay, turn the box back round. Logo at the front of the box, under the Velcro. See that flaps down. You take the bar and you put the bar in the little holes at the side. One side, two sides. Takes a little bit of manoeuvring, but there you go. 2 foot of wardrobe space ready for you to use. And just seal it up nicely.